We were working with VELUX since 2012, so we fitted probably in the region maybe over 4,000 units at this stage, all over, from schools to courthouses all over the country. They're a very efficient system. Like, they're great, in fairness. Like, any issues we've ever had, they'd have them rectified as quick as possible, or they'd have someone out to us, or, you know, to take any of our advice or anything like that. They'll always take it on board, and, you know, they'll change things if need be and anything like that, you know. So it has been very positive working with them, yeah. Next process, once all the steel is in, is to start to crane up the windows in pallets. So there'll be 5 windows on each pallet, and then we'll take individually each window and drop them onto the steel. Insides the buildings don't like water, so the quicker we can get it all covered in again, the better, you know. And then everything will be fully sealed by tomorrow night. Natural light saves massively on energy costs, and, like, you know, they're a very efficient system. There's very little heat loss. Definitely the number one product, in my opinion, anyway, in the market. I think it is definitely the way forward, that you can just, everything clicks together nice and simple like a big jigsaw, and so the modules will go in very quick. Like, that's our main goal, to do a job quick and then do it right.